Several states have started to open up their economy, and many are wondering when Massachusetts will start doing the same. 22 News reporter Hector Molina explains what's being done to make sure our economy safely goes back to normal.
For about a month, millions of people across Massachusetts have been working from home, if at all, and companies have struggled to find ways to stay in business. Some states as close as Vermont have already begun to restart their economy. Though some other states have already started taking steps to reopen their economy, Governor Baker said his focus is on the surge in cases here in Massachusetts. According to Governor Baker, we are still in a surge of COVID-19 cases. Last week, Massachusetts joined a partnership of Northeast states to develop a regional strategy to reopen the economy.
Those 6 New England states are all in different places with respect to the surge.
Though the states may be in different stages, they are all analyzing the same metrics when deciding their economy's future. Governor Baker said he has spoken regularly with each governor in New England to where each state stands in terms of cases.
People are in different places, and you would expect them to start to think differently about what their next move looks like. I just want to make sure we know what their next move is and that they know what we're up to so that people don't end up surprising each other.
We all agree that it'll have to be staggered. It'll evolve. I think that the questions, they really revert now to whoever the governors are of these respective states because they're the ones making the decisions. But I know people are anxious to get back to work. It just has to be done safely.
White House guidance recommends states could go back to greater levels of economic activity after documenting 14 days of declining case counts. Tuesday was the 5th straight day that Massachusetts reported fewer new cases than the day before. Hector Molina, 22 News.